Hello, and welcome to an episode where we're going to be doing a quick review of a new product we're trying out on this house called Bora-Care. What this is a termite repellent. So in our past episodes, you kind of seen us do a lot of work in this back room, putting in new floor joists, and also repairing termite damage that's already been happening in there. So to prevent that in the future, we're going to treat all of our new lumber and the existing lumber with this termicide. And with this one, we also have an extra little thing on top here, and it's 1 pint of fungal preventive. So what it does is it mixes it in the same as a 1 gallon jug here below it, and that will help prevent mold buildup, which will also be very handy since in this back room, half of it is going to be a laundry room and half of it's going to be a bathroom. So one thing I was worried about when I got this was, how much am I going to need? So in the back room, which you'll see here in a second, has mostly 2x6 construction on the floor, 2x4 construction on the walls. And the floor is about 200 to 300 feet of 2x6. And then the walls, we only have maybe about 100 feet of 2x4s that we're going to be treating. And this right here will treat about 3,000 feet of 2x6 lumber. So we're not going to need nearly this much to do this one back room. So what we're going to do is actually only make 1/2 of a gallon of diluted amount. But we're not going to take this entire thing and pour it into 1/2 gallon of water. No, because it's actually meant to be mixed in with 4 gallons of water, because it's a 1:5 ratio when you get it all said and done. So what we're going to do is make a 1/2 gallon diluted version of this at that same ratio, and then catch back up in the room where we're going to be putting in. So now we're in the room where we're going to be treating first. And we have our mixture all mixed up here. And what we're going to do is pretty much go along all of our new boards and saturate the wood. Now, when you're doing this, make sure you get both sides of the wood. Don't just go along the top, or along one side, or just the bottom. Make sure you get the entire thing encased and well saturated in your termicide. This Bora-Care product was easy to mix, easy to apply, and didn't have as strong and pungent of a pesticide odor that a lot of other pesticides have. However, be sure that you do wear gloves and that you are wearing a protective mask as you're putting this on. But overall, it's a good product, and I guess we won't know for sure how well it works until one day we got to renovate this house again. But I have a good feeling that we're going to be a lot better off now than we were before.